Now, let's set up the Multimatic 235 for welding with the stick process. Read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully before installing or operating your machine. And remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. First, while the machine is off, make sure the drive lead is disconnected. Plug the work lead into the negative receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. Then, insert the stick stinger into the positive receptacle. Turn clockwise to tighten. The machine is now set to DCEP, or electrode positive. Power up your machine. Select stick mode. Finally, if you are using AutoSet Elite, select the electrode type, diameter, and material thickness. Or if you are using manual mode, you will be able to select the amperage and adjust the dig. As a guide, a parameter chart is inside the door. Setting up the Multimatic 235 for stick welding is as simple as that.